We have this series of beer called the Highlanders. They're lactose-soured, bright, little 3.9 quaffing beers, meant to play to people that want something brightly acidic and easy to drink. We like to put things in them pre-fermentation, so they get dried out and degraded and put through the whole beer rather than dumping them on at the end to be fruity or juicy. And I had just come back from a Sweden trip where my kids were drinking mocktails, which were largely lemonade kind of acidic drinks with sea buckthorn in them. Sea buckthorn is this neat flower I learned about over there that has kind of a lemony quality to it and some tannin to it, and this kind of nice hint of like a Madras curry thing to the finish, which I was just enraptured with in the acidic drinks the boys were drinking. And then I was mostly drinking aquavit, so the whole feeling had this licorice on it, and there was birch wood in every fireplace, and there was that general Lagom of Sweden. We decided to bring it home, put it into a Highlander, and use that one to get us into the holidays. And now it's up to you to tell me what you think.